Hi everyone, I am Priyanka and today we are going to make these beautiful party favors. So I just made these small cute envelopes and I have just tried with different sizes and used various collections from Paper Rose Studio. So those are the chunky ones which just gets in too much goodies inside. So you can make whatever size suits you. So I have used Sweet Valentine collection and candy treats, candy kisses and candy treats Flower Shop. So the paper pack I use is from Flower Shop. So I think this one is the cutest of them all. So this one is made using an 8 by 8 paper pack. This one is used. This one is made using a 10 by 10 sheet, and then the biggest one is the 12 by 12 sheet. So it depends on what your requirement is, and you can change the sizes according to your needs. So let's just dive in. Today, we in this video, I'm going to make the 10 by 10 one. So let's just dive in. For that, you can either use a 12 by 12 sheet or you can connect two pieces together if you're using a 6 by 6 paper pack. These are really easy to make. It doesn't matter if it's a single sided paper or double sided. So since I want this design to be this pattern to be my top piece, so I'm going to score from this side. So first I cut my pattern paper to 10 by 10 and then I'm going to make a small score line here in the center that is 5 inches. So I'm going to fold this on the 5-inch mark like that and just burnish this edge here. Similarly, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So if you're using a 12 by 12 sheet, then just make the score mark at 6 inches. And if you're using the smallest one, that is the 8 by 8, then just mark the middle point to at 4 inches. Right? Then you get this kind of shape. And then you will bring this piece here and try to be in the center and fold it like so. So this piece is, this corner here is just joining this edge here, and then I have just tried to align this with my bottommost edge as well, like that. Okay, sometimes because of the GSM of the paper it goes a little bit out, but that's okay, we will just cut it out. The next thing is we'll do the same exact thing on the opposite side as well. Again, we are meeting the corners and then I'm just burnishing it, making sure that all my corners meet together like so. Now if you think that this part is coming out, you can just do a small sliver over here like that. It doesn't really matter, it's not going to be visible. So just like that. Okay, the next part is I'm going to stick these two flaps down so that later on when you're just putting the goodies, the paper is not going here and there. So it's just going to make it secure. After this has dried up, we will just going to again score it down and burnish our lines really nicely. Okay. Okay, once you have done this part, then we are going to fold it like so to make an envelope. So I'm going to leave a little bit gap so that we get two small triangles here. So I'm just eyeballing it. We don't need to do a perfect measurement or something like that. And then I'm going to just burnish this line as well. See, so you get these two triangles here. Okay, and then I'm going to just take my bone folder and do a little bit of like that to my paper so that it's easier to stick it down. Then I'm doing the same thing on this side and on this side. Okay, this just makes the paper a bit flexible since this pattern paper is quite thick, so I just needed to do that. After this, I'm going to put glue on this side here, as well as on this other side, just roughly like that. And then I'm going to make this join up like this, not flush to the side, so that we get a depth inside to fill in our goodies. And then I'm just going to put a paper clip so that I don't need to hold it down for long. Similarly, on this other side, I'm just going to pinch it from the bottom and then just join these together. If you want to make it a bit more flatter, then you can do it like that. If you want more depth, then just do it like that. So I think maybe let's do it like this. And then we will leave it to dry. In the meanwhile, if you want, you can ink your edges, and then let's decorate the other one which I made. So for decoration, there are lots of ideas. There are lots of things that you can do. You can use some die cuts, some doilies like this, some doilies as well. Okay, you can even put it inside just to make it a bit more beautiful like that. And also I have these all these elements cut out with me. I told the collections already. So this is Sweet Valentine. These have these small animal figures and some cute little supporting elements like these balloons, hearts, these bouquets, small cute little things. I think I'm going to use these ones. Then you can also use some laces like this, so there are lots of things that you can do. So let me just put it on fast forward mode. And then we have another one ready. So I have inked the edges with the black color here, and look how pretty this looks, right? And then let's just do the another one as well. So this one here, I'm doing it with the brown ink. So you can mix and match the collections if the color palette is a bit, going together. So it really gives you more versatility in your decorating. So I just like this idea, so I thought, why not? Okay, so this one, now let's do this one as well. So this is it for this video. So I hope you guys like what I made, these small party favors. You can do lots of things with these, make it as much elongated, or as much filler or fuller, or too much blingy, or whatever the theme of your party is. Or you can just make it a bit minimalistic according to whatever your needs are. You can also make these in bulk and keep them ready here. If you want to buy the products that are used in making these beautiful embellishments, then I will just link them down below in the description box, and you can go and check them out. Those are the affiliate links that I earn a little bit from that, but no extra cost for you. So thank you so much for watching and always supporting me. See you next time in my next video. Till then, happy crafting. Bye.